Hey, it's Lon Welsh at Your Castle Real Estate, and I want to talk a little bit about inflation. And you may have seen that the overall U.S. inflation rate recently hit 7%, which is about as high as it's been in the last 40 years. But what was not really known until recently is that the mountain states had higher rates of inflation than most other parts of the country. Denver hit just about 8% recently. So, what does that mean to real estate? Well, if you look on the long term, what you find is that real estate outperforms the inflation rate pretty much every year over the last 50 years. And on average, over a time span, it always does better. The largest component of the consumer price index actually is housing. So by default, if the inflation rate is high, rents will follow right behind and home prices will as well. If you're thinking about buying an investment property, inflation is actually your best friend. If you can buy a home or a condo today and lock in that mortgage rate for the next 30 years, your payment is fixed for 30 years. But if you're in a high inflation rate environment, then the rents are going to go up much higher than normal, and all that extra you get to keep as profit.